started, and there's all kinds of awesome cars here. We'll go over Keith's later, but ooh, 68 Nova, that's like mine, so probably a lot faster. But anyway, we're making things happen, meeting friends, and we're just gonna stick it out for a little while and yeah, get through this line. It's gonna be a bit. So this is probably gonna be one of the fastest cars here. Thing is bad to the bone. Big old throttle bodies. The thing is just awesome. It probably costs more in my house, but when it looks that good, is it worth it? Maybe. Okay, check is done. I'm headed to go get my t-shirts and windshield banner and stuff, but it went really well. It's pretty detailed, so you know, they're really concerned about safety, but yeah, we're one step closer. We're probably going to make a test pass today. Today is not the official first day of racing, tomorrow is, so there's going to be some open testing today from 1 to 6, and then party at the Freedom Factory, and then we kick things off in the morning. So that's the itinerary, and I think we're gonna run into everybody here soon, and we'll go over all the cars that we're hanging out with. All right, we're gonna start going over some of the cars that are gonna be in the videos, and you guys saw Keith's car, last year with Race Week, and had some questions of what's in it. So what's in the car?
Yeah, well, for motor wise, it's a 347 big bore small block Ford, not an LS, carbureted blow through with a 88 millimeter Borg Warner. It's the S488 SXE. I made the hot side, the cold side's got a full exhaust. Well, full exhaust goes to the back tire.
Yeah.
Single. Power Glide, Neil Chance, bolt together converter. It's an 8.8, built by Chris Neighbors down in Pearland. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Not.
And it's
simple green.
Yeah, he's termed the car Simple Green. So he's finally named the car. He's had it for how long?
7, 8 years.
So yeah. So this is probably the fastest car I've ridden in. He took me for a ride before it was this fast, and it's a 750 cage, right? Or 650?
No,
or,
it's
sorry,
850
cage.
Yeah, it's an 850 cert cage, which is as fast as it's legally tech to go.
But if you the interior is gorgeous, and then the cage matches the interior, and yeah, so he's limited to 850, which is his class, and you're running what class?
It's a small tire class, so it's we're running a 26 by 8.5 radial.
Okay.
They call it, well, they just call it 235 class.
It's not that wide. So.
No. But yeah, I bought the car pretty much like this in terms of the cage and the chassis.
Yeah.
And I've just gone through everything all new power, different powertrain. I put a dash in.
Oh yeah, you put that Holly dash in. Yeah, check that out. I want one of those so bad.
Yeah, but it drives real nice. Doesn't have a lot of compression. We drive the routes in between tracks on just regular pump gas.
Yeah.
Get here, drain it, put C16 and drain the carburetor, make sure the C16's all the way up, and and give her hell. So, I usually run about 20 pounds of boost, and I've been as fast as 830 in a 533 in the 8th. So
I was there that
number covered.
I think I was there the day you ran that 830. It was crazy.
Yeah.
And then you dropped. Is that when you dropped the valve?
That was yeah, back in November. It was like, oh, let's just do one more pass.
And boom.
And that pass, it dropped the valve. It probably would have eventually anyway. But yeah, so thankfully it cleaned up at 30 over.
Yeah.
New heads, new pistons, and
we're
so here we
cooking.
are.
So I've been following Keith doing these drag and drive events for years, and it's something I've always wanted to do. So when the time came for me to be able to do it, I called him up and asked if I could follow him around.
Oh man, dude, it was so much fun.
Yeah, it was.
Your videos, you saw, I came in second place in Rowdy Radial at Raceweek in 2021. But yeah, it was so cool to have,
all the
Ryan
video
there the first time, and so
Hell yeah.
no, it's a blast.
Well, fantastic. Well, that's hopefully that answers all the questions on the I almost called it a Futura, and I know it's a Fairmont. Oh, it is a Fairmont Futura. It is. Yeah. So but if you have more, put them in the comments and I'll ask Keith to check them out. Keith just made a killer 852 test pass. His class is limited to 850, so that's awesome. I'm in the truck about to make a pass. Something's going on with the SD card, so I can't load the tune, but whatever. But I went 12:24 with the one. That's the fastest pass ever. I'm not sure y'all can see that. Anyway, with the 168 60 foot, that's the fastest pass this truck's ever done. I knew the 60 foot felt really, really good, and I don't know. I'm super happy with that. I don't know how much else it has in it. There's not a whole lot of more weight I can take out of it, but that was awesome. Okay, Keith just made another pass. Unfortunately, I didn't get to video it, but it went another 852. So he is on point. That car is locked in, so I'm gonna be looking forward to that. I'm gonna make another pass here, change it up a little bit of the tune. If I'm not really a tuner, so we'll see what happens. But we pulled 2 degrees out of it, just to kind of see if it makes any difference. And the conditions are pretty consistent, so it should let us know if it's going to go one way or another. And we'll see what happens. I'm looking forward to it. So I don't know if it's going to pick up or slow down, and this will get a data either way. I did have a problem with my SD card, and it just decided not to work anymore. So I formatted another one, put it in place, and it's working now. So. Okay, made a couple more changes. Last pass, I'm gonna shut it down. again, the fastest time ever for the Dakota. 12:12 with a 3, 109 miles an hour. The changes that we put in there totally panned out. My 60 foot was still really good, 166, and I think I spun a little. Awesome, 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 awesome. So the Trovo, Billy and Rod show up, and Michael, and they made it here. They were in tech for a very long time because that tech line was crazy long. He got a couple passes in. We'll go over this tomorrow, I think, with Billy. It's a short story, I'll tell you. It's a 5.3 turbo, but it was on HP tuners, and he just switched over to a Holly Dominator. So they're working out some bugs, but this is the Trovo, and it's been stickered up, and Keith's car's been stickered up, and we got the Racer X Garage crew, and we're just having a blast. So we're about to go over to the Freedom Factory. We're gonna head back that way and go check it out and do a little tour, and then head back to the hotel and have a good time. So see y'all when we get over there. Headed to the VIP. Man, that's a big toter. Oh shit. Maybe we are gonna be able to drive on the track. See, dude, this, yeah, I'm glad we did this.
Yeah, but
Hell yeah, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, I thought we were gonna be able to drive on the track. Check this out. Here, you hold it. Oh yeah, look at all this. Oh, check, yeah, look, he's got the stacker getting it on.
Tickets for you guys, and then some swag for the driver,
Awesome.
and then just follow that green truck around.
Fantastic. Will do. Thank you.
Yep.
don't let them fall over. Be like
Oh,
you.
this is crazy, man. Check this out. This is a bigger bank than I thought it was. Check that out. How cool is this, man?
Pretty sweet.
This is badass.
I don't know where that guy went.
He went right there. I don't know if there's another place that I can go. Probably over there.
Where did he go?
He went right there. I don't know if we can park on the bank or what. There's a spot right there.
In front of the blue?
I'm gonna park over here. And back up like right there. Check this out. We are at the Freedom Factory. Like we said, on the burnout pad. Look at all the race week cars. Super cool. We thought we weren't going to be able to do this. They said something about don't bring your car over. But maybe they meant regular people and not sick weekers. But check that out. These are the decisions that go on at Sick Week. Billy, you good?
What's this sticker here?
He said he loves.
That can come off.
He said he loves Fig Newtons. Y'all got a Fig Newton sticker somewhere?
I'm taking this sticker off.
Starting to empty out. I think that's our cue. It's been a long, awesome day. I'm worn out, everybody's worn out, so we're gonna go call it a night. I'll go back, edit some video, and get it out for you guys. Thanks for coming again, for coming along as always. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And there's gonna be Sick Week content all week with Keith, the Trovo left, and my truck. And yeah, we're gonna bring it to you. So thanks for coming along. We'll see y'all next time. Until then, y'all be good.